Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Craigslist if your account is blocked. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So once you have opened it up, it's going to open up the main page from where we can get started browsing all the categories, and now we can use the account section in the upper right corner to log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. If you have one but you try to log in and it's blocked, then there is a couple of things we can go and take a look at. Basically guys, Craigslist is going to block your accounts if you are spamming or if they think you are a scammer and so on. So basically guys, there is no direct way to know except for checking your email, seeing what the email says and what is the reason for your ban and why your account is blocked. Make sure you're using your own internet, Wi-Fi or mobile data. You are not connected to some public Wi-Fi that may have its IP banned, because usually the IP can get banned on Craigslist. And from there, if you do not know what the problem is and how to unban your account, you want to go to the contact page. Here at craigslist.org/contact, you can use the links below for guidance and appropriate contact info, and you can go ahead and get technical support. So if you want to go ahead and get in touch with them, you can select technical support, select what the problem is, I need help, and so on with my Craigslist account. And once you select this, it's going to enable you to get in touch with them, explain what the problem is, and they're going to help you out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.